Hi, this is Belle. So last week I won a contest from Skydance Productions with a whole bunch of swag and merchandise from their company. I just got the package today, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. And I would like to give a shout out to Skydance and a huge thank you for the contest and for all the swag I won. So I'm very excited to see what I got here. Open up here. Where do I even open this? I don't even know how to get this. I can't even get it open. I got a Skydance tote bag. Just stuff in here. Ooh, I got a Skydance shirt. I look forward to wearing it. Skydance hat. Oh, that looks pretty good here. I got one of those pop sockets for my phone. Got a Skydance cup. Got a Skydance pen. Sunglasses. And flash drive. That's cool. Where are the earbuds? These are pretty cool. No, there's a flash drive. And the tote bag. This is so cool. I love all this stuff here. And I can't wait to use them. Thank you so much, Skydance, for the opportunity to enter the contest and win all these prizes. And I'll see you all next time.